Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Dominator D1 Steps from Go Rhino. These steps are really easy to get in and out of, so they're great for kids, and also great for people like me who might be a little bit shorter. So what's sort of the appeal to these compared to others in the Dominator series?
Well, this particular bar is a full-length bar for this Jeep Gladiator, but it's a single drop-down step that allows customers ease of access to get inside their vehicle as well as out of their vehicle. Sits a little bit lower than what's found on the rest of our Dominator series bars.
So when we're looking at the install of this, is it very difficult? What's sort of included in the package?
This is a pretty straightforward install. We do include all the hardware and brackets, and it's also a no-drill install for, makes it easier for any customer to do it at home.
Overall, we would rate this installation a 3 out of 10. Really not all that difficult to do. You can do it at home with some simple hand tools. It'll take you about an hour. And because this is something that we're using every day, what's the warranty that we're looking at?
Well, this bar comes in our durable textured black finish, so we're offering a 5-year warranty with it.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Dominator D1 Steps from Go Rhino. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss new videos when we post them. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.